Boost your memory at 60 plus. 3. Brain foods you're not eating. Full YouTube video script 2,500 words. Hook or introduction. Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgotten why you came there? Or maybe you meet someone familiar, but their name just won't come to mind. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You're not alone. After 60, most of us notice small changes in memory and focus. But here's the truth. Memory decline isn't an inevitable part of aging. It's a sign that your brain needs the right kind of fuel. Just like your heart and muscles, your brain thrives or declines based on what you feed it. And today, we'll uncover 3 powerful brain foods that most seniors aren't eating enough of. These are simple, everyday foods. No fancy supplements or miracle pills. Just nature's own brain boosters. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to add to your diet to keep your mind sharp, your focus steady, and your memory strong, even well into your 70s and 80s. Let's dive right in. Section 1. The secret connection between food and memory. Before we talk about specific foods, let's understand why what you eat matters so much for your brain. Your brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight, yet it consumes nearly 20% of your daily energy. That means it's constantly hungry for nutrients, especially those that help your nerve cells communicate, repair damage, and build new connections. As we age, tiny changes happen in the brain. Nerve cells may shrink or lose efficiency. Blood flow to the brain can decrease. Inflammation slowly builds up, affecting memory and clarity. But here's the good news. You can slow down or even reverse much of this damage through food. Certain nutrients, like omega-3 fats, antioxidants, and plant compounds, can literally feed your neurons. They protect your brain from oxidative stress, boost blood circulation, and support the creation of new brain cells, a process scientists call neurogenesis. And that brings us to our first brain-boosting food, one that's often sitting quietly in your kitchen cupboard, but you're probably not eating enough of it. Section 2. Brain food, number 1. Walnuts, the brain-shaped wonder. Have you ever noticed that a walnut looks almost exactly like the human brain? That's nature giving us a pretty big clue. Walnuts are one of the richest natural sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of healthy fat that keeps your brain cells flexible and strong. Here's why that's important. Omega-3s form the protective membranes around brain cells. Without them, communication between neurons becomes slower and weaker. Think of it like a phone line with bad reception. The message doesn't come through clearly. But when you eat omega-3 rich foods like walnuts, those phone lines get repaired. Your neurons fire more efficiently, which improves memory, learning, and focus. Scientific proof. A 2020 study from UCLA found that older adults who regularly ate walnuts scored significantly higher on cognitive tests compared to those who didn't. The researchers called walnuts a complete brain food. They not only improved memory and concentration, but also lowered inflammation, a key factor in Alzheimer's and other age-related memory issues. Nutrients that pack a punch. Walnuts are more than just omega-3s. They're also loaded with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that protects brain tissue from damage. Polyphenols, which reduce inflammation in the brain. Magnesium, which helps improve mood and relaxation. Great for reducing stress-related forgetfulness. And here's a fun fact. In traditional Chinese medicine, walnuts have been used for centuries to nourish the brain and boost energy. Modern science now proves that ancient wisdom right. How to add walnuts to your diet. You don't need to eat a handful every hour. A small serving a day does the job. Add a few crushed walnuts to your morning oatmeal. Sprinkle them on a salad for crunch. Or enjoy them as a snack between meals instead of chips. Just remember, raw or lightly toasted walnuts are best. Avoid salted or sugar-coated varieties. They cancel out many of the benefits. The bottom line. If your memory feels sluggish or you find it hard to focus, adding just a handful of walnuts a day can help wake your brain up, naturally and deliciously. But now let's move to something sweet, literally. A fruit that's small, colorful, and scientifically proven to reverse memory loss in older adults. Section 3. Brain food number 2. Blueberries. Tiny berries, big memory power. If there's one fruit that deserves the title of superfood for the brain, it's the humble blueberry. Don't let their size fool you. These little blue gems are packed with antioxidants, especially a group called anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give blueberries their rich color, and they do something extraordinary inside your brain. How blueberries protect your brain. As we age, harmful molecules